Have you ever wondered if you could make $100 in just 24 hours using only AI tools? It might sound like an ambitious challenge, but I'm here to tell you that it's entirely possible. In today's video, I will show you how I did it and walk through the step-by-step process so you can replicate my success. Step 1. Content creation. The first thing I did was dive into content creation. I was using Jasper AI, powerful AI tool designed to help users generate high-quality content and quickly and efficiently. Whether you need blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions, Jasper AI is equipped to handle it all. What makes this tool incredibly user-friendly is its ability to write most of the content for you, allowing you to focus on the finer details. But you can also use other generative AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. Step 2. Graphic design. After setting up my content creation gigs, I moved on to graphic design using Canva. Canva is an incredibly intuitive design tool that offers AI-powered features to help users create stunning visuals effortlessly. And again, you can use other tools available online for free like Snappa or Stencil. There is a massive demand for ready-to-use Instagram templates, YouTube thumbnails, and other social media graphics, making it a goldmine for aspiring designers. Step 3. Video content creation. With my content creation and graphic design services taking off, I decided to tap into the ever-growing demand for video content. This is where Pictory came into play. Pictory is an AI tool that converts text into engaging videos, making it perfect for clients who need video content for platforms like YouTube or TikTok. I created a few short, catchy videos by inputting scripts generated from my earlier writing tasks. The process was straightforward. I simply entered the text, selected visuals from Pictory's extensive library, and the AI generated a professional-looking video in a matter of minutes. Even if you've never edited a video before, Pictory's user-friendly interface makes it easy to create content that looks polished and appealing. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more innovative ways to make quick money with AI. With the right tools and a proactive mindset, the opportunities to earn are limitless. Happy hustling and see you soon!